Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be introducing my dog, Teddy. Come on, go on camera. He just walked by. He's so funny, so cute, so silly. Like the other day or today, when I let him outside, he rolled around in the grass. It was hilarious. I laughed. If you can see a little bit of tears. he was just doing, he's so funny. So, oh, yeah. He's just my little dog. 1 year old. His birthday, September 15th. What just happened? So that's it for today. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye bye.